Our groups decided to make a IR remote control system for the instrumentation and measurement group project. So this is the transmitting section of it. It's a battery that passes through the switch to a variable resistor and other resistors and the capacitor to a IC555 timer, which then outputs to a infrared LED light.
Yep. So this is the receiving section of the project. We've got an IR sensor here. We've got transistor T1, transistor T2, resistors, capacitors. This is capacitor as well, diode D1, and IC4017, and which is connected to a relay. And these are the LEDs which gonna show the state of the appliance. So as we press the switch here, the IC555 is gonna get energized and emit a output of frequency 36 kilohertz, which in turn is connected to the IR LED through this resistor, and this IR LED will emit an IR radiation of 36 kilohertz. This IR radiation is sensed by this sensor, and as this sensor sends an IR radiation, the output terminal, the terminal 2 of this sensor, will the voltage across output terminal will go low. As the voltage goes low, the transistor T1 gets energized, and due to this, the capacitor C8 through this R5 get energized as well. As the capacitor C8 reaches 3.5 millivolts, it will transfer a clock pulse to this IC4017. As the IC4017 receives the clock pulse, it will generate an output at output terminal 2, and which is connected to the relay, which will switch off. That relay will switch on and off the appliance. So these LEDs are gonna tell us the state of the appliance. So let's see the working. As I press the switch, the LEDs glows, which indicates the change in state of the relays got energized, and there is a change in state of the applications working. As I press again, the LEDs goes off. It means the appliances goes off as well. Let's see it again. As I press, the appliances go on. Press again, appliances go off. On and off. That's it.
Now working and everything is clear, so we'll just check the range of this project, and the IC that we have used can work till 10 meters of the range, but since here everything is clear, so I hope getting a much better range than 10 meters. So yeah, this is nearly 7 meters over here. I'm standing right now. I'm moving backwards now, and this must be slightly more than 10 meters, like 12 meters or something. And yeah, the system's still working, so we'll see how long we can just go with this thing. And there have been some interruptions, sorry about that. Yeah, it's still working. So as we saw, the range was pretty much good. It was functional for like 20 meters or something like that, and yeah, this can be very useful since the thing that we have made is just a prototype. So we have considered price as a main thing here. So yes, we have chosen a sensor which is having a lower range, but when it comes to commercialization, we can have a sensor that can work for longer time, for longer range, and should be more there should be more enhancements within the sensor itself. Would be more customizable, and this is how you can implement the project. It's pretty much necessary in Australia because there have been a lot of wastage of electricity because the houses here are very big. So this concept can be a key to saving the electricity. And that's all for now. See you next time.